Once again, welcome all dear my student. So now I'm going to explain the last two stanza of this particular poem. Try to understand it very properly. Okay. So stanza 3. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubt if I should ever come back. So in this particular stanza, we want to express that on that particular morning, both the roads were covered with a yellow leaves, as it is autumn season. So both the roads are covered with a yellow leaves. All the yellow leaves are spread toward that both the road. And it is also said that no step had trodden black. So here means trodden black means here that it is not crossed by a people while traveling, and it also reflect that very less number of people, or you can say it is unused. Okay. Now, oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now he said that as I have taken one particular path to travel, so I will kept one of the road for another day. And he also furthermore add that one way leads to other way. That means while you are traveling from one path, it will leads to other path also. And he was not very much sure that again he will going to come back to that particular place, so that he will going to choose the another path. He was not very much sure about that. So again point want to say that in our life also, the option that we have taken to reach to our destination, it should be a very what do you call it, very properly we have to choose that particular option, because once we choose the option, we will not able to come back, or we will not get enough time to again come back and take the other option. Okay. So now come to the last stanza. I shall be telling this with a shy, somewhere ages and ages hence, two road diverse in a wood, and I took the one less trouble by, and that has made all the difference. So here in the last stanza, poet want to express that he will going to take a deep breath like this, deep breath, and he said that once upon a time there is a place, while traveling I found two roads are diverse from one particular place or from one particular point, and I have taken that road that less number of people has traveled by that particular road. And that particular decision of a poet make all the difference throughout his life. Okay, this two particular line, last two particular line of this poem, it is very important. Okay, because it is very much well known that as we are human, you always try to take that particular option which in which we don't find any difficulties or any challenges, so that we can reach to our destination very easily. It is human trait. Okay. So as because poet said that he have taken that particular road which less number of people had chosen, that means he have taken the difficult road to move to a particular destination. So this particular decision taken by him make all the difference throughout of his life. Okay. So my dear student, one message we have got from this particular poem, that we have to take the right decision to move to reach to our goal, and both the option have same benefits, same challenges and difficulties, and it is not like that whatever option we have taken it is very easy. And don't take very shortcut in your life, always try to face the problem, and you will see that you will reach to your destination. So this is all about this poem. I hope you all understand this, and after that if you find any difficulty to understand this particular poem, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number. So thank you, student, and have a nice day.